How to install Microsoft Copilot. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. So Microsoft Copilot is only available to a limited members of Microsoft. So what you can do instead is open up a web browser and go to code.visualstudio.com. Once you're here, you want to click on the extensions tab. After clicking on this, you're going to be brought to a new tab. So here on the search bar, you want to search for Copilot. Now press enter and you're going to find different results. Out of all of this, click on GitHub Copilot. Now from here you can check out all the details about this Copilot, and this is quite similar to Microsoft Copilot. So if you want this, then click on the install button. Now this is going to be a free trial, so you can use it and check out this for yourself. Now, another thing that you can do here is you can also purchase the Microsoft 365 as well, so that if there are any updates with the Microsoft Copilot, if it's available for everyone, then you will be able to use it and take advantage of its features. And that's it for this video. We hope you guys found it helpful. Please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.